Hi guys, how are you doing, and welcome back to another video. So for today's video, what I'll be doing mainly is cleaning the living area section and also the dining area section. I'm actually so excited because the duration that I wasn't posting, we were blessed to purchase new seats and also a dining set. For those of you who've been following me, you know that we didn't initially used to have a dining set, and you know the kind of seats that we used to have in this space. I'm actually so happy that we got to get rid of them, not in a bad way, but at least we got to change them. Although the purchase isn't complete yet because we still do not have a coffee table, neither do we have a carpet, but those are minor issues. For now, I'm excited for the few things that we purchased for the space and for the change that it has actually made. If you're new here, feel most welcome. My name is Monica, and this channel is all about home cleaning, home organization, and home decor. And if that is the kind of content that you are interested in, please do not hesitate to hit the subscribe button and also the notification bell so that you get notified each and every time I post new videos. So guys, without further ado, let's get into the video. So guys, I'm starting by tackling one of the most overlooked areas when it comes to cleaning, our throw pillows and the seats. Now these are the spots where dust and dirt love to hide, so it's important to give them some attention. First of all, I'm grabbing my dusting cloth and gently wiping down each throw pillow cover, making sure to get into all the seams and remove any built up dust. It's amazing how much cleaner they look and feel with just a quick dusting. Next, what I'll do, I'll take on the seats. I'm using the same cloth to give them a thorough dusting as well, starting from the top and working my way down. I'm making sure to get into all the nooks and the crannies, especially around the edges and underneath. Once everything is dust free, it is time to arrange the pillows and the seats back to their rightful places. And I know that by the end of this process, everything will look cleaner, but it will also feel fresher and more inviting. So guys, my next focus is going to be on the TV cabinet. Using the same microfiber towel that I had used a while ago, I'll wipe down the surfaces of the cabinet, including the top, the sides and the front. I'll pay special attention to any areas where dust tends to gather, that is around the edges and the corners. So guys, now it is time to move on to the heart of the home, that is the dining area. First of all, I'll be wiping down the dining table to make sure that it is clean and ready for our next meal. Next, I'll go on to the dining seats. Just like with the throw pillows and the seats earlier, I'll be giving these a thorough wipe down to remove any dust or dirt that have accumulated. So guys, let me take a moment to share a little story with you. You might have noticed that in my other videos, we didn't have a dining set. That's because my initial living room seats were bulky and took up a lot of space, leaving little room for a dining area. But recently, we made the decision to upgrade to new seats that are not only stylish but also more space efficient. And let me tell you guys, it's made all the difference. Having this new seating arrangement has not only given me more space to work with, but has also completely transformed the look and feel of my living room. I love how the new seats complement each other and create a more cohesive and inviting space. So as I clean and wipe down the dining area, I'm reminded of how these small changes can make a big impact on our home. It's all about finding what works best for you and your space. Now let's finish up cleaning the dining area and move on to the next task.
Every time we say goodbye, they all see that it's a lie.
Now it's time to start on the floors, and I'll start by vacuuming to remove any loose dirt that might have accumulated. And using my trusted vacuum cleaner, I'll carefully run it over the entire floor, paying special attention to high traffic areas and any other corners where dirt tends to gather.
But then you don't. That's how it goes. Don't wanna know. I'm turning off my mind so I get by. I just wanna be happy, happy tonight.
After I'm done vacuuming, it is now time to mop the floors. I'll systematically work my way across the floor, mopping each and every section thoroughly. I'll make sure to get into all the nooks and the crannies, including under the seats and around the furniture legs, to ensure a deep and thorough clean.
But every time we say goodbye, we all know that it's a lie. Now I'm all alone, 'cause you never show. You say you will, but then you don't. Let's let go. Don't wanna know. I'm turning off my mind so I get by. I just wanna be happy, happy tonight.
So guys, we've come to the end of our cleaning video, and I could not be happier with the results. The space is now sparkling clean and looking better than ever. I want to take a moment to thank each and every one of you for joining me on this cleaning adventure. Your support and encouragement mean the world to me, and I could not do it without you. If you enjoyed today's video and found it helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up and sharing it with your friends and family. And if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so that you never miss out on future cleaning tips and home improvement projects. Your support helps me continue doing what I love, and I truly appreciate it. Well, that's all for today, folks, and thank you again for watching, and until next time, stay happy, stay healthy, and keep those spaces sparkling clean. See you in the next video.